Hello guys, Rome here, 9th Island Runner from Hammah Crue. Here is my 2019 TRD Pro 4Runner. We went up from the 35 RTs, which was an excellent tire. RBP makes such a good product that I stepped it up to the 37 MT3s. These MT3s get me to wherever I want to go, whether it's camping out in Utah or hitting Sand Hollow, out to wheeling in Cali, hitting Pilot Rock, Cleghorn, or camping up in Big Bear, or even hitting Sedona in Arizona, and just camping anywhere, wherever it takes us. All right, let's stop with the boring talk. Let's kick up some dust.